Do you ever feel self-doubt like a shadow trailing your every step, quietly tugging at your confidence, whispering that you're not enough, even when the world tells you otherwise? I'm Leanna, your gentle guide for this story meditation. By the end of this session, you will feel stronger, anchored and illuminated, as if that shadow has lifted, and your own light now fills the space. Take a slow, deep breath in, letting your chest expand fully. Exhale softly, feeling the weight of doubt ease from your shoulders. Again, inhale fully, drawing in warmth and clarity. Exhale, releasing tension and letting your mind soften. Imagine stepping into the garden of emerging strength, a hidden sanctuary tucked beneath the sky, where sunlight filters gently through tall, golden trees. The air smells faintly of wildflowers and fresh earth, grounding you in the present. Before you, a winding path stretches forward, lined with mirrors, soft, misted mirrors, reflecting moments when you doubted yourself, all the "I can't" and "I'm not ready" whispers you carried. Breathe in gently. As you exhale, say inwardly, I meet these doubts with curiosity. They do not define me. Inhale again, imagining golden light filling the spaces doubt once held. Exhale slowly, feeling clarity replace old hesitation. Step forward slowly along the path. Notice how the mirrors shimmer, transforming reflections, revealing the strength, courage, and resilience you already possess. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with sunlight and possibility. Exhale softly, repeating inwardly, I choose to trust my inner voice, my ability to grow beyond fear. Continue walking along the path. Feel your steps landing firmly on the earth, each footfall releasing doubt, each breath calling in confidence. Whisper as you breathe out, I am capable. I am ready. I am enough. Lift your gaze to the sky above the garden, where light pours through leaves like streams of possibility. Say within, I am allowed to make mistakes. They do not diminish my worth. I am permitted to pause, to learn at my own pace, to rise with patience, clarity, and gentle confidence. Look toward the crystal fountain at the center of the garden, its water sparkling with a spectrum of soft, radiant colors. Step closer, noticing the water reflects your potential, the possibilities that emerge when you embrace your courage. Take a slow, deep inhale. Let it flow out with ease. Say within, my self-doubt is a teacher, not a jailer. It shows me where growth is possible, where I am capable of transformation. Reach out, feeling the water's warmth and light brush your hands, absorbing courage, clarity, and quiet confidence. Exhale slowly. I honor my journey. I trust my process, and I embrace the power within me. I release the weight of who I thought I should be and step fully into who I am becoming. Take another slow, deep breath in. Let it fall out with ease. Whisper gently, every step I take toward myself is sacred. Every choice rooted in self-trust. I am building my inner sanctuary. One breath, one thought, one act of courage at a time. Walk further along the garden path, noticing flowers blooming in places you never expected, reminding you that growth often comes quietly, from soil turned by time, patience, and gentle care. Say within, I am allowed to shine. I am allowed to be seen. I carry light wherever I go. Feel the breeze around you, lifting leaves, stirring the path ahead, and imagine it brushing away lingering doubt, revealing clarity, calm, and courage. Say inwardly, I am more than my fears. I am resilient. I am guided by wisdom within. I honor the version of me that tried to survive with old patterns. And I choose to step into patterns that help me truly live. Breathe in clarity. And breathe out the urge to punish yourself for being human. I allow guilt to loosen its grip. Because awareness, not self-blame, creates real change. I am learning to meet myself with honesty and compassion at the same time. Because both are needed for healing. Deep breath in, expanding your chest. Slow breath out, softening your shoulders. Take a long, slow inhale and release fully, letting the mirrors along the path transform into beams of golden light, illuminating your garden of emerging strength. Feel the shadow of self-doubt dissolve completely, replaced by steady, unwavering confidence, leaving your mind and heart open, radiant, and free. One final deep breath in. Exhale softly, letting the light you carry ripple outward, touching every corner of your being. Whisper within, I am enough. I am capable. I am rising into my own brilliance. Open your eyes when ready. carrying this renewed presence with you, knowing that the heaviness that lingered has begun to release, and that you are always safe, supported, and luminous. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community to continue exploring immersive, restorative meditations designed to nurture your mind, your heart, and your spirit.